Guess who doesn't mind all the snow and the wind and the cold? Saber. Saber likes it. The Siberian Husky hasn't come in once. Zenny, though, has come in a bunch of times. Holds the paw up in the air because it's a little chilly. There we go. They still like to have fun whether there's a blizzard or not. Zenny, coming back inside again. You don't like the snow on your face. You go outside. Go play. Go. It's okay. Go. Jeez. Go play, Zenny. There, good, good. All right, everybody's doing great. Just to let you know, we're still, snow or no snow, we don't take days off here. So we're doing our thing. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.